Hey, my name's Jim Howie, and I'm Todd's marketing director for the Body Walking Institute. And I'll tell you what, we have just been blown away by the response we've gotten from first the Shark Tank and now being on the doctors. And what it's caused us to look is how do we answer all these requests from therapists and consumers all over the country. So we've come up with a grassroots campaign that we want to enlist your help to help get the word out. So what we need to do is in order to have a training in any geographic area, we need 15 to 20 therapists. And those can be massage therapists, physical therapists, naturopaths, chiropractors, anybody in the healing business basically. In a smaller market we can probably get away with 10, but we just have to be able to cover the travel expenses. And what we want to do for you, for helping us, is we want to give you $100 for every therapist that signs up. And if you get 15 therapists to sign up, you're going to get your certification for free. Now that's a sweet deal, and I'm going to sweeten the pot even more. I twisted Todd's arm to do this one. If you get 20, we're going to throw in a new iPad for you. So, and then there's one other perk that comes with it. With each of the classes, on the third day, there's a practicum where we bring in outside people so all the therapists can get tested. And this is an opportunity for you to bring your friends and family to that practicum and your best clients, and get this, now your prospects, the people who you've been wanting to bring into your practice. And that is a golden thing that you can do to get them hooked on your services and body walking because you've done this for them. So if you're interested, my email and phone number are in the email below this. So I want you to call me, and we're going to help you, give you all the tools to reach out to the people in your area. Now I'm also looking for a couple people who might be interested in a fast action bonus. And this is somebody that thinks that they want to do this and they think they can do it in the next 30 days. And if you want to do that, I'll help you. And if you do that, get a class together, 15 to 20 people in the next 30 days, I'm going to fly out to wherever you are and do a full day of consulting with you. I work with companies on a program called 11 Strategies to Grow Your Business. And we're going to work through everything to put you in a position over the next 6 to 12 months to just blow the doors off of your competition in your marketplace. That is well over a $5,000 value. And I'm going to throw in one more thing. If you want to bring a friend in another type of business to that full day of consulting, you can do that as well. So now that's just doubled the value of that consulting. So who are the action takers out there? I'd love to see somebody do that, and we'll help you in any way we can. Our goal is to be able to satisfy all the requests from therapists and consumers all across the country and into Canada to get body walking into all these areas. Thanks a lot for checking this out, and I hope to hear from you and seeing what we can do together. Thanks a lot and have a great day.